Welcome to today's video, where we'll learn how to fix a common issue with Zendesk. The 401 unauthorized error that pops up when you're trying to verify if a user exists. This usually happens when the API connection isn't set up right because of incorrect Zendesk credentials. Let's get started. First, log into Okta Admin Dashboard. Then search for Zendesk application. Once in, click on Provisioning, then Integration. Here, find and click on Edit. Now, it's time to enter the correct Zendesk credentials. You have two options here. First option. Type in the Zendesk agent's email in the username field and their password in the password field. Click Test API Credentials to make sure everything's working, and then hit Save. Now for the second option. Click on Edit again. If you're using an API token, add a /token at the end of the agent's email in the username field. Then go to your Zendesk admin dashboard. Here, go to Zendesk API and create an API token. Copy the value of the token and paste it into the password field. Again, click Test API Credentials to check the connection. And don't forget to save. Next, try setting up the user again. Head over to the dashboard, then Tasks. Here, search for the user in question. Find the task for the user that needs to be retried and tick the box, and press on Retry Selected. To check if the user is now correctly set up in Zendesk, go to Applications, then Applications again. Here, search for Zendesk and click on it. Under Assignments, look for the user. Click on the pencil icon to see the user profile and make sure the external ID is linked to the user. Lastly, in the Zendesk admin dashboard, go to People and then Team Members. Here, double-check that the user has been successfully added. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you should be able to fix the 401 unauthorized error in Zendesk. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.